Welcome to this week's episode of the Illumination Station. I'm Mark Phillips, and today we're going to be a bit shady and talk about the latest innovations from Mecho. First up, for our IQ2 family, we now have a DC motor available. It's the strong and silent type. It delivers control of 600 square feet of fabric. It has a built-in temperature sensor that allows for preventative maintenance as well as automation, all while being only 38 decibels. Compared to other low voltage systems on the market, the IQ2 DC delivers incredible value. If you want to add touchless, you can add a wireless daylight sensor, or you can add SolarTrack 4.0, the most predictive and precise solar control system. Next we have Pocket. It has a name and a purpose, Electro Pocket, the first and only UL certified pocket on the market. So now, rather than have a licensed electrician do the install of the motors, the shade contractor can actually do that install, which pulls a lot of cost out of a motorized install project. And to prove it, Mecho has a tool on their website that you can see, depending upon how much pocket you have, how much labor savings in terms of dollars you're going to achieve. And lastly, Mecho 5X. If you didn't think there was anything new in the manual world, think again. We have Mecho 5X that can control 5 shade bands or up to 200 square feet of fabric. So when you want to add in symmetry to a space or reduce touch points, Mecho 5X is the solution. We've added a weight here to this smaller shade to simulate the weight of a much larger shade being controlled by the Mecho 5X, which makes it effortless. With ADA compliance, meaning it's 3.5 pounds to 8 pounds of pull force to operate the shade. If you're working on a project and you want to see how the sun impacts your building, please reach out to us for a no-cost solar evaluation, and we can provide that to you and your client. The sun's setting on this week's episode of the Illumination Station. Until next week, stay cool.